So guys, today we are going to talk about interview question of a JavaScript, and that question is that we have an array of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to remove the duplicate values which are in case is 4. Okay, so there are many approaches to work with that problem, but the main approach that I use typically is set. Now what talking about set is that the set is a JavaScript data structure just like array, and it only stores unique values in it. So if I want to create a set, just like letters, new set. In this way we can create set, and we can't add values or delete values or remove values from a particular index in set. There are no indexes in set as there are in arrays. So in order to add values we have to go like letters dot add 2 or letters dot add 3. So the order in which the values are added is not persisted in set. So like you can add values using the add function, and then there are many functions like has. If my Visual Studio Code is telling letter dot has add clear delete entries for each keys size values, these all functions you can use on set. And the main property of set is that it can't store duplicate values. So in order to solve this problem, what we can do is that we have an array of duplicate values. We can call a unique values, in which we have an array of new set, and we have array here, and then we are just console.log unique values. So it's a very basic, actually I know it's a very basic problem, but most of the time in basic JavaScript question you get asked. And there are many approaches, but the best approach is that you give this array to a new set. The set will remove the duplicate values from it, and we are just spreading it into a new array, so we will get back an array. Hope you like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you have any problem regarding this set data structure.